I recently had the opportunity to visit Pigeon Forge, Tennessee with my wife to celebrate our anniversary. It's a great town to visit, minus the traffic, which I'll get into another time. While there, I got to visit the crown jewel of Pigeon Forge, the Dollywood amusement park, operated by the wonderful human being Dolly Parton. While I didn't set out to document the park, I was blown away by a certain aspect of the facility. I'm sure there are many reviews of the park itself, but I wanted to highlight a lesser appreciated yet absolutely vital piece of its daily operation. So I tumbled out of bed, stumbled to the kitchen, and poured myself a cup of ambition to make this tribute to the Transit of Dollywood. Dollywood has clearly optimized every part of its operation within the park, and the entrance process is no different. The parking booths and lots are easy to navigate. Once you're parked, you have the option to walk or ride a tram. If you choose to walk, the parking lots have protected pedestrian walkways, something I've not yet seen at any amusement park. Also, walk times to and from the park are listed when using the walkways, and all of the lots have fun names to help you remember your parking location. Riding the tram is where Dollywood's optimization shines. They have van-drawn passenger cars not unlike other large amusement parks, but Dollywood has it down to a science. The tram shelters are large and easily marked. The trams themselves are uniform, large-capacity vehicles with both an operator and a conductor. The conductor makes safety announcements and gives a wealth of general park information. Trams run frequently on a dedicated tramway between all lots, the main park, and its adjacent water park in season via an underpass from local roads. It is a roughly 15-minute round trip on the tram. When you approach the park, you arrive at what I'll call the Dollywood Transportation Center. You can have that one for free, Ms. Parton. Thanks for helping fund the Moderna vaccine. The hub has a large turnaround loop and can accommodate not just the trams, but also the free trolley buses for guests coming from the Dollywood Dreammore Resort. I can't believe they're not called the Dolly Trolley. That's another free one, Ms. Parton, but if you want untrained marketing consultation, have your people get in touch. Closer to the gate is a stop for the Pigeon Forge local city trolleys, which run routes to the park and seasonally to the water park, every 15 minutes from the city proper for $2.50. I'll touch on Pigeon Forge mass transit in the future. The trams stop a short walk from the main gate and park. Hosts are more than helpful with providing directions to get into or out of the park. The park's an excellent destination, and our experience there was phenomenal. The one hang-up that we hit was getting a tram back to the parking lot at the end of the day. The queue lines at the transportation center are marked with numbers which line up with the available seating on each tram car, just like a queue line for most of the rides within the park. The problem comes when the line is backed up and trams arrive and awaiting guests rush into multiple rows. This could likely be aided by actual lineup gates, chains, or better instruction to the transportation team hosts on how to direct guests for safe and equitable space on arriving trams. It's handled so well inside the park, and this is an area where it could be improved at the tram waiting area. Overall, if you have the means, take a trip to Dollywood, enjoy the wonderful rides, food, shopping, and ambiance the park has to offer, but also do yourself a favor and appreciate the transit of Dollywood.